Good morning, student. Welcome to your SST class. Today I am going to explain next topic. The next topic is natural vegetation and wildlife of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Natural vegetation. The forest cover of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin has been cleared off to meet the demand of agriculture and settlements. This basin is home to monsoon forest and tropical deciduous forest. Common trees are sal, peepal, and banyan. The Sundarban Delta is famous for Royal Bengal tigers. The delta region, where there is a mixing of saline and fresh water, also has mangrove forests. These forests are called Sundarbans after the Sundari trees, which is found in large number here. Much of the tropical deciduous forests that once covered the Ganga plain have now been replaced by agricultural land to meet the needs for growing population. The Brahmaputra plain still has tropical green forest and mixed evergreen deciduous forest. Wildlife. Wild animals are now rare in the Ganga plain. The Brahmaputra plain is home to elephants, leopard, deer, langurs, various types of snake, and the rare one-horned rhinoceros. The Sundarbans are home to the Royal Bengal tiger as well as crocodile and marsh deer. Among the birds of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin are barbirds, flycatchers, warblers, miners, herons, and kingfishers. Many variety of migratory birds from across the Himalayas visit this basin. Life of the people. The population of the Brahmaputra plain is somewhat sparse, but the Ganga plain and the Delta region are densely populated. Agriculture. Because of the fertile alluvial soil, the abundant supply of water, and the moderate climate, agriculture is the chief occupation of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Rice is the chief food crop in the eastern part of the basin, while wheat is the chief food crop in the west. Pulses, vegetables, and fruits such as mango, jackfruit, plantain, and papaya are grown. Jute, tea, sugarcane are the important commercial crop. Jute is grown mainly in Bangladesh, West Bengal, Assam, and Bihar. Tea grows best on the hills bordering the Brahmaputra plain, especially those of Assam and West Bengal. Sugarcane is grown mainly in the Ganga plain. Fishing and fish breeding are important economic activities, as fish are an important item of food, especially in eastern India and Bangladesh. Cattle and buffaloes are raised mainly for milk. Sheep, goats, pigs, and are also raised. The forests of the region yield timber, bamboo, cane, and honey. Industry. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin has numerous industries. Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh is noted for its cotton textile. Banaras, Uttar Pradesh, and Bhagalpur, Bihar are noted for silks. Bangladesh too is known for silk and cotton handloom cloth. There are many jute mills along the river Hooghly. In Assam, there are oil refineries and factories that produce chemical from petroleum and natural gas. Craft such as pot making, work, and metal working are also well developed in the Ganga basin. The Ganga plain has an efficient network of roads and railways. Kolkata and Delhi are served by metro rail services and international air services, though the Ganga and many of its tributaries serve an island waterways. The drawing of huge amount of water for irrigation has affected the navigability of some of the rivers. There are many towns and cities in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Delhi, on the bank of the river Ganga, is the capital of India. Agra is the city of the Taj Mahal. Patna, Lucknow, Meerut, and Kanpur are other important cities. Allahabad, Mathura, and Banaras are places of pilgrims for the Hindus.